Welcome to Idasara Academy. This is your structured learning platform. You are in control of how you study. Let's take a quick walk through the main areas so you know exactly where everything is. At the top, you'll see your subjects. You can swipe left or right to move between them, or simply tap the subject you want to open. Once you select a subject, its full list of topics will appear below. Each topic is organized so you can work from the top down. Start with the first incomplete topic. The platform will even highlight the one that needs the most attention. The first study tool is Lesson Notes. This is the full written explanation of the topic. Read it carefully first so you understand the complete idea before you move on to practice. Next is Short Notes. Here you write your own brief notes on paper first, then open this tool to check and refine them. You build the knowledge. The tool simply helps you verify it. Revision questions come next. These are quick checks that test whether the topic has really stuck. Try to answer from memory before you look at the solutions. Prompt packs give you ready-made questions you can use with the AI chat. They help you ask sharp, focused questions instead of vague ones, so the AI coach can guide you more effectively. AI chat is your personal study coach. If you're stuck on any idea, open it and ask. It will explain and guide you step by step. But it will never simply hand you the answer. You stay the one doing the thinking. Quizzes are short topic tests that score you instantly. They show you exactly which parts still need work, so you know what to revise next. Flashcards are auto-generated for fast recall. A few minutes a day keeps every topic fresh, especially useful as exams approach. Now look at the bottom menu. The Practice tab is where you sharpen your skills with extra quizzes and drills, and where you can review any mistakes you've made. The Exam tab holds mock exams, past papers, and readiness checks. Everything you need when the real exam day is getting closer. The Planner is your daily time management tool. Here you can plan your study sessions and keep your streak going, so consistent progress becomes a habit. Finally, the Me tab is your personal space. You'll find your profile, progress, badges, and settings. You can even replay this short tour anytime you need a reminder. That's the complete layout of Idasara Academy. Everything is designed so you can move clearly from understanding a topic to practicing it, to checking your readiness at your own pace. You now know exactly where to go. Start with any subject, open the first topic, and begin.